beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So it's time for another Boohoo haul. I'm really excited. I have my bag here. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it today and I figured let me hop on and do the haul so I can try everything on with you guys instead of trying it on and then trying it on later and you know, the rigmarole. Excited, let's get into the bag. So the first piece here, by the way, I'm keeping as much clothes on as possible. You guys know I always keep my undergarments on because YouTube is very strict now. So yeah, I'm wearing a bandeau top under this, but obviously I wouldn't wear it like this in real life. So this first top is this really beautiful bikini top. I think it fits so nicely. It doesn't have any padding, which I'm okay with. And then you can see it has this beautiful rhinestone detail. They're actually sewed on, not glued on, which is great. That means you can swim with it and the rhinestones won't come off. It's so beautiful. I wish there was maybe some on this area or some up here, because I feel like from the front, like, you don't really see it. I kind of have to like push it out for you guys to see, but you know, in the pictures I'm gonna be like, check it out. I'm gonna do a Kira, you know what I'm saying? I guess if I pull it up a little, you see them a little bit more, but it's so beautiful. And like I said, with plus size, it's so hard to find stuff like this. It fits really, really well. This is what the back looks like. It's so well made. It's so form-fitting. It covers my breast area really, really nicely. Obviously, if you have trouble showing all this, you might not feel comfortable. I don't care, because girls, it's the summer of being fat. Don't care what nobody thinks. Anyway, so I'm really, really loving this. I definitely recommend this. And I'm planning on going to Vegas. Well, I'm going to Vegas in September for our 1-year wedding anniversary, and you know I'm bringing this chick. Okay. So these next two pieces are really cute, but I'm having issues. And obviously you can see this top came with a big hole in it. And you know, I've been shopping from Boohoo for years. I'm talking about like 2013, 14. Like, I've been shopping from Boohoo for a long time. Never once have I gotten anything with a hole in it. So, and it's a big ass hole. So yeah, I don't know, like, if I would have paid for this, I think I'd be more upset, but also I would just return it. Boohoo has like one of the best return policies and systems that any business has, to be honest. You go on their website, you look up your order, and you get your return label. You don't have to pay for it, and you just send it back. You get your money really fast. So I'm not really that upset about it. I guess I'm just easier than that, but like, don't take this like this is something that happens a lot. In my opinion, in my experience, this has never happened before. But it's such a cute top though. I love the little peplum. It's stretchy, it has ruching, it has the off the shoulder, it has the quarter sleeve. Like, there's just so many things about this top I love. It's like an easy throw on top, but the hole, so I'm gonna have to return that, or I might just sew it up, because I'm just that kind of girl. Next is this really beautiful skirt. Now with this skirt, I'm not wearing it, or it doesn't fit me the way it's meant to fit, but I think it looks really nice. It has a zipper and a tie, so there's no stretch. It's that really lightweight non-stretch material, but it's so pretty, and I think it still looks really good like this, because skirts that are actually meant to be like mini or fit like a regular skirt, they're always too short on me, and this one's meant to be longer, but because of my hips it looks shorter. So on me, I think it fits perfectly. You guys, I love a good high-low situation. I love the polka dots, the ruffles, and then I think it's perfect because on me it goes high waist, and I think it looks really cute. You can tie it on the side or move it to the front, and I'm really loving this. I can see myself wearing this for sure. I love that you get the leg, but then in the back you're covered, your butt's not out, and I just love it. So even if you have big hips, you can make it work. Okay, girl, I got you. This next piece I wanted to show you guys as inspiration. This is actually supposed to be a skirt. You can see it has the ruffles, and I wanted to get this one to compare it to the other skirt, but this one doesn't fit at all. It's the same kind of material, but the setup of it just doesn't fit my hips at all. You can see it's not going down. And then I thought, you know what, why not try it as a little top? And I think it actually looks really cute as a top. I think with jeans, this will look really cute, or even with a pencil skirt. So just get creative. If there's a piece that you can use in a different way, who wouldn't know that this ruching detail where you can pull and make it really, really short, and so you can really add some definition to it to make it look more like a top, and then tie it. I actually think this is way cuter as a little tube top. Look how cute that is. Like, you're telling me that no one would ask you where you got this if you wore this as a top? I'm definitely gonna wear it as a top. Next piece is really cute, and it's so flattering on me, and I wish that brands would create more outfits like this that were long in the back, because sis, my butt is out, okay? Like, who's wearing this outside? It's too short for me. And it's so flattering on my shape. I think the skirt is so flattering. This cutout here. You guys know I love cutouts. I love anything with a tie. Oh, I just love it. It's leopard print. It's so cute. I mean, I think maybe with like black, white, or brown biker shorts that were like right, or you know, under above the knee, that this would look really cute as like a regular outfit. But I do wish it was longer in the back so I could actually wear it outside. I wanted to challenge myself to get pieces that weren't stretchy, things that were a little bit that I wouldn't go towards normally. Obviously not because it's leopard print, but because of the material. But I think I would love to. This would make a really beautiful beach dress. So I would definitely wear this to the beach with my bathing suit underneath. Super cute. You could even wear this as a bathing suit. I just think it's so cute. It's super lightweight. It feels like you're barely wearing anything. Granted, there's no stretch, so if you have bigger arms it might be uncomfortable, but on me it feels really nice. Like I said, it's basically like being naked but better. The material is opaque. It's just really nice. I really like this. I think it's so flattering, and like I said, I wish it was longer in the back. Curious about what you guys think. Like, would you wear this to the beach or would you wear it out? Are you comfortable with stuff this short? How would you wear this if you were to take it and style it? I want to know what you guys think. This next piece is something that I was really excited about, but again, doesn't even fit me like it's supposed to. This is supposed to be a blazer dress, which I really love. I've always been into this, and it's funny because when I graduated college I wanted something like this and I couldn't find it anywhere. I wanted a tuxedo dress or a blazer dress. I couldn't find it anywhere. I ended up having to go with something that was similar, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted. If I find a picture, I'll put it here for you guys. So it's just funny to me that this is like what's really popular right now, because I've been into this for years. But that's Aquarius for you. Everyone always thinks we're crazy. Everyone always thinks we're crazy, and then a few years later they copying us. I'm just saying. But anyway, I would definitely wear this with biker shorts, just to get the look. And it comes with its own tie, but I feel like with my Gucci belt it would look more like Instagram girl. And I'm a fan of it, and the long sleeves are really popular right now. You know, just being like fashion, long sleeves, oversized. But it's really cute. It looks really good. Like the quality, this feels really nice. The quality is nice. I really like it. It has like a very silky material inside. It feels really nice. If it just fit me better, it would look perfect. But again, you know, that's my problem because I have a smaller waist than my hips. But I think with biker shorts I would definitely still wear this. I wouldn't wear it now though. I don't know why people are wearing this kind of stuff now. It is like 100 degrees all over the world, but this is popping. I like it. Fashion. I also want to note that you can just open it all the way and wear it as an oversized blazer. So if you wanted to wear like a t-shirt and biker shorts underneath, and then use the tie and tie it in the back. Yeah, it is really cute. I definitely am gonna keep this. I think it's definitely a vibe for fall time with leggings and a t-shirt, or you know, anything, jeans. It does have that boss bitch vibe. This next piece is a whole vibe, okay? This is a whole bougie ass Vegas vibe, and that's what I thought when I picked it out, because I'm going to Vegas in September for our 1-year wedding anniversary. And I know it seems far away, but sis, July 4th is tomorrow, which by the way, today is July 3rd. It's my mommy's birthday. Shout out to my mother for giving me all this ass. Hey. Planning what I'm gonna wear for Vegas since like May. So like things that I didn't want to wear in Puerto Rico that I thought were more suited for Vegas, they're already stashed, and this is one of those things. I definitely think it needs shapewear just because it's very slinky and it like shows every little lump and bump, but the print does camouflage a little bit, which I like on my thighs. I feel like you don't see as much as the dimples and bumps on my thighs because of the print. And I really like that. I absolutely adore this peachy pink coral baby lilac, not lilac, baby coral color. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors, and I wish that more clothes were in this color but had like something extra to it, because this color can be a little bit tacky, a little bit hard to pull off like this, but I love this. It's so much fun. Again, I think it's great for Vegas. Oh, and it does go pretty long. It's pretty wide legs, so I am gonna have to hem it. But if you're tall, you're good. So these next two pieces, I would have loved to wear it together. I think they look so cute. I'm really into the midi skirt with like crop tops or t-shirts. It's a really cute style right now, but the skirt again is one of those that doesn't have stretch and it doesn't fit me properly. So unfortunately, unlike the polka dot skirt, this one has a lining underneath that's stretchy, but it doesn't fit me at all because it is attached to the zipper portion of the skirt. So you can see the lining underneath is attached to the zipper, and because of that I can't pull it down to cover. So now I'm just left with what looks like a beach cover up. You can see that it's completely see-through. So that's really unfortunate because again, I would have worn it. The front is a bit too short because it doesn't fit me, but if the lining was long enough, I still would have worn it. So that kind of sucks. I guess if you wanted to wear it as a beach cover up, you could, but if you have less hips than me, you won't have this issue. It's really, really cute. I love how it's long in the back with the ruffles. It's so pretty. It's lightweight, but there's no lining for me. It doesn't fit me properly, so it would be on my Poshmark for anybody who wants it, but it will look really good on you if it fit properly and you have less hips than me. And then of course for the top, this is a t-shirt. I just knotted it up right here, but I love their graphic tees that have words on them. Like I have one that has Paris. I have one that says Paris. I love their t-shirts. I love that it says New York. Obviously I'm from New York, born and raised, so I definitely will be getting my use out of this. I have another one that actually just says, or I used to have one that said New York State of Mind. Again, that was also from Boohoo. So yeah, love their t-shirts. They last a really long time in my opinion. They're comfortable. I love them for travel, for working out, and then also for making cute outfits like this. So yeah, love this t-shirt. They also had it in white, but it was sold out in my size. Love this. So obviously this suit doesn't fit me, and it sucks because it has this almost like body shaper feel to it, but you can see that it doesn't fit, so it's pulling here, making my waist look bigger. And if I didn't have this on, everything would be hanging out. But it is a really nice swimsuit. Like the material feels really good. It feels like it sucks you in. Like I said, it feels like a body shaper, but I guess it runs small because I did get my regular size, but it's just not flattering because it's too small on me. But again, total Vegas vibe. The last piece is this black beach lace kimono, which I thought was really cute. You could wear this as a regular kimono, but it's meant to be a beach kimono, and I thought it was really cute with this bathing suit. Again, I thought it'd be like a cool Vegas vibe, or just for anything in general with a white bathing suit under it. It would be really, really cute. They also have it in white if you need something for like your honeymoon. So cute, lightweight, comfortable. I think it looks really cute with this swimsuit. So sad that the swimsuit's too small, and it's stretchy. So that's everything. Honestly, I'm glad to be done because I'm burning up. My AC's off, my fan is off, and it's like 80 degrees and humid outside, so I'm burning up. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If I have any other information, discount codes, anything, it will be down below, and all the products will be down below as well with shoppable links. Don't forget to stay glam and follow me on Instagram. I love you, and stay glam. Bye.